What is up, my people? It's your favorite super trucker, Monkey Dick 36, coming at you from the road with some more live action. Look at this driving. That is some road, boy. Yep. I'm headed. I'm in a town. That town you live by. Cutting through there, and I'm heading to a place that you always wanted to go. So this video is super relevant to you and personal. Yeah, man. This is a nice road here. I think it's concrete. For those of you who don't get all have cars and or walk much, I was just on some blacktop. I forgot to get that on footage, but I will. Or if I hit some cobble or something. Oh, if I hit cobble, I'll probably live stream that. So stay tuned, subscribe, smash, have sex with that like button, lick it, stick it. I just comments and junk. So yeah. So I almost whoa. Oh, I see you, Maniac.